6, presenting and analyzing data. In this lesson, we shall be learning about the mean, which is a type of average. It's the average we use on discrete data. The mean of a set of data is the sum of the values divided by the number of values. So, in other words, the mean, to find the mean, we're going to add up all the values of the data that we have, and we're going to divide it by how many values that there are. Mathematically, that is expressed by this formula here, mean, and the symbol for mean is x bar, x with a line on top, x bar, and it is the sum of the values, so sigma x, and divided by the number of values represented by the n here. So look at this example. Senanu took the following amounts of money to school each day: £4, £3, £2, £5, and £1. And we want to know the mean average. That is, we want to know how much money it takes normally on average on a particular day. So we sum the values, we add them up. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2, 9, plus 5, 14, plus 1, 15. And we divide by how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. So we divide our 15 by 5, and so we get 3. That is the answer that is representative of these numbers. So even though the number 3 only came once, it is a good number because it means that on the average day, he will take 3, and when you add up the 3 that he may take on average every day, you actually get 15. So in other words, the mean average is the number that would give you the total that you're looking for. Let me explain that a bit further. Imagine that without calculating, you guessed and you thought that, oh, maybe the mean is 4. So if you took 4 on average every day, then you know at the end of the week, he would actually have gotten £20, which is not the case because we know that he actually had £15. And so we're saying that the mean is really the number that when you get it will represent the amount for each data item so that the total will be correct. So let's look at this here, the notation again. This is called x bar. You might want to write it down. This is called sigma x, which means the sum of the values, and the n stands for the number of values. Well, that's the explanation of mean. Now have a go at some questions. Let's see how you do.